Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this Dutch braided wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So for this part on how to make this Dutch braid, I've shared a video on that. You can check my previous video on how to make it. But now in today's video, I'm going to show you the simplest way on how to do the feed-in without actually doing the feed-in. So this is a clip from the previous video on how to do the Dutch. If you want to watch a detailed video, just go on my previous video and watch it. But this video is specifically for my community members. Thank you guys for joining my community. So I'll be sharing here new unique styles and tutorials that I haven't shared on my main page. So this is what I did on the previous video. I just braided 2 cornrows. If you know how to braid, it's very simple. So I know it's very difficult to do the feed-in. That's why I decided to make this video, because it's a very simple way on how to do it. Again, just make sure you watch my previous video. I'll put a link in the description box down below on how to make this or how to do these 2 braids. So once you have your 2 cornrows, the next step you're going to do is to pin the braid on the cornrow, and then you're going to sew them on the cornrow. Just as simple as that. This method is simple, especially for beginners if you don't know how to do the feed-in. So I also have a tutorial on how to make the braids. If you haven't watched the video, I'll also put it the link in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. So I'm going to pin the braids on top of this cornrow like this, and then sew them together. This braid color is color 350, and then I used a full lace wig. I'll also be sharing a tutorial on how to make the Dutch braids using the feed-in method. Just keep on watching and following, guys, and you'll see more videos on how to do these braids. So guys, again, on this community, I'll be sharing unique styles, unique braids, and more tutorials on how I do my braids. Thank you so much, guys, for joining my community. I really appreciate it. The next step I'm going to do is to sew the braids together as I sew them on the cornrow. Make sure they are tight and secure enough so that they don't come out. So I'm going to repeat the same process on both sides. Pin down the braids and then sew them on the cornrow. this is how it looks. And actually, as you can see, no one can tell that, you know, you've sewn the braids on the cornrows. It just looks like feed-in method. So for the back, you can just sew the braids on the wig or on the hair. But now someone might see the black hair, it won't look that neat. So what I'm going to do, I'm first of all going to undo the braids and then sew them together with the hair so that it blends well, so that someone can think, you know, you just braided the hair. So while braiding the hair together with the braid, I'm going to make sure I cover the black hair. So for this black hair that you see on the side, I'm going to sew the braids together to cover the black hair. So guys, basically that is it. Just do the 2 cornrows and then take your braid and sew them on the cornrows. I also have a tutorial on how to do this on your natural hair. I did it on my sister and it really came out very well. So you can actually also do this on your own hair. It doesn't have to be a wig. Just braid your hair, do the 2 cornrows, and then take the braids and then sew them on your cornrows. So right now, as you can see, I'm sewing the braids together to cover the black hair. I did the same on the other side, and this is how it looks. For that part at the bottom, at the end, I'm going to sew them together again well. So this is how it looks, guys. Just comment down below if you love this style and if you love this color as well. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. When you order, I always add combs and elastic band just to make it secure. And then you can actually wear it like this without applying glue, but you can apply glue to make it even more secure. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.